How to open Monzo bank account in UK. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and then search for monzo.com, and over here on the search results you will be able to find the option of open a UK bank account, and just simply click on it, and this is where it will redirect you. Over here, select whether you want a personal bank account or for your business, and in your personal as well, whether you want account, savings, investments, and all sort of details will be there. Just select it accordingly and according to your needs and requirements. After that, just simply click on this option of open an account for free. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load. Here it will ask you to provide your email address in order to start your application. Simply give out your email address, and after that you would be required to submit some more details about you, like your address, your residence, and all sort of details in order to get the application started. And after that you would be able to open up the Monzo bank account quite easily in UK. It is quite simple. You just have to provide the details you are asked for, and that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.